functional doctor gave me a gut repair program and detox program. So they did a food allergy and sensitivity test, and they found out I'm not allergic to any foods, but I'm very sensitive to different foods that are causing inflammation in my body. So they gave me a way to eat, I guess. So I decrease inflammation. So number one step is repair the gut, and then they will help it to. So first is repair, and then the next step is to replenish what you lost. All the good bacteria and all that. I don't know where's that next yet, but this is the first thing. So it's repairing the gut, and so they give me a bunch of lists. Big list of foods to avoid. Big list. These are no's. These are yes. I can eat this. Apples and grapes and no coconut either. The first week, pears and blueberries and cherries. But none of this list. Avocados, bananas, dates. Oh my. Prunes or mangoes. Bananas, right? I said. Then there's no legumes, no eggplant or garlic or olives or potatoes, sauerkraut, spinach. Although they give me a big list that I can eat veggies, which was great because I'm like, what am I going to eat? And then it told me no fish, just wild caught salmon, or you can get these meats. So I can get beef. I can have beef or duck or goose or lamb or rabbit or wild game. And I'm not crazy about any of those because I've been eating chicken and turkey and eggs and fish for 10 years already. So now I have to switch. It was a little challenging, but actually I didn't mind it. I grew up, when I was a kid, I grew up with lamb, and actually eating that lamb now is like, it takes me back home, so I kind of like it. And what else? No avocado oil, no butter or ghee, and I just have to stick with olive oil, which is great. That's what I've been using my whole life. Grapeseed oil, flaxseed oil, coconut oil, MCT oil, and that's it. No nuts or seeds. And the spices, they give me a little restriction with the spices, and the only ones that I can use right now is sea salt, rosemary, thyme, cilantro, dill, oregano, sage, and cumin, bay leaf, basil, and black pepper. That's it. And forget about alcohol, bone broth, coffee, honey, chocolate, fermented foods, ketchup, mustard, vinegar, mayonnaise, soy sauce, miso, mushrooms, nutritional yeast. And forget about grains. That's the big one. If you have an autoimmune disease, stop grains. Just stop them. No more sugars, no more grains, no more gluten in your diet. All right, I hope this helps.